Can I have that new Gand cube now? I solved all my cubes.
No, you haven't. You still have 4 more cubes. Oh, 5. You have 1, 2, 3,
And this
4,
one,
5.
this one
Oh,
too.
6 and 7. You haven't solved all your cubes. Oh, look at that sad face.
Actually, I really do not know how to solve them. But still, I do play with my cubes a lot, so I can get a new Gand cube.
Yeah, but I don't like how you've been throwing this little guy down the slides and letting him fall on the floor all the time. He's brand new. And look, you're already starting to get little dents and little scratches everywhere.
Let me see the dent.
Look at all these scratches. That's because you keep
Let
on
me see the
rolling
dent.
it.
Where's the dent?
And there. I saw a little dent somewhere.
I didn't see
There
the
it is.
dent.
Right there.
Can I have a Gand cube then?
No.
Why?
Not right now.
Like,
You need to treat your cubes nicely.
okay.
You've been dropping them and letting it fall on the ground, on the dirt,
Okay,
and
now
rolling
I
it
know.
down, slides and all that stuff. That's
Now
not
I
nice.
know. Can I have the Gand cube?
No. Not right now.
Right, know how to solve the gear ball now.
The gear
That
ball.
makes me want a Gand cube.
Mm-hmm. Let's see you solving the gear cube. Whoa, almost. Almost. Oh, there it is. That was it, wasn't it? No, not yet. Oh, there it is. Wow.
See, I know how
Gear
to.
cube.
That I love cubing. I just want my new Gand cube.
Well, you just enjoy this one and treat it nicely. You haven't been treating it nicely. You show me you treat it nicely from now on, and maybe you'll get a Gand cube eventually. Bye. Dadda was gonna buy. He has it all. Dadda wants the Gand cube for himself. Crazy guy. Wait, look at me. You should see it.
I know how to treat it nicely now, and I might remember it too.
Bye, guys.
Come on, I just want a Gand cube.